guys, Saving with Shay. Listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Make sure you smash the like button. Support your girl. So I wanted to talk about this because I did a video, was it last week or so? Talking about the whole no more stacking. This is the end of stacking. But I said that I was going to try it and just see what happened. Like, I'm going to still see if stacking is going to happen, right? So if you guys notice in my last, few videos or so, stacking is still happening between the sister apps. And I wanted to mention that. I just left Walmart, literally. I did. I got me some more Snuggle. And it's so funny because I've been stalking, y'all. I've been stalking the Walmart app for these. And I saw that they restocked on them. It's only this one, though. And it smells so good. Oh, my gosh. I can't even bring myself to try to sell these. The blue ones, we selling the blue ones, but these right here, they smell so freaking good. So I had to go back and get some of those. I had to get some Axe. I had to get some more Dove bars. I had to do Kleenex. So this is all gonna be in my next haul. But I went for the Snuggles. All right. So I was like, let me record this video real quick. So listen. When it comes to the sister apps, I did have items that were rejected because they were submitted on, let's say, Shopmium, right? But I said in that video that I was going to just, part of me just wants to just roll with it and see if it do. If it go through, it go through. That's cool. If not, then that's cool too. And so I have been still submitting and they have been going through. And I've been doing it on Swagbucks and on my points. I'm trying to think if I've been doing, I think I did some on inbox dollars. I don't know if I did any on Tada, but they have been still going through. Like, I think one of them was rejected. What was it for? It was for, was it Nature Valley? It was only 50 cents. It was on my points. And it's at 0. Right? So I just put a ticket in. I ain't got nothing to lose, right? I put a ticket in and they awarded me I forget what they always say on my point swag, but the sister apps, they all say the same thing. It's almost like they make it sound like we're going to extend this type of one-time type of courtesy. They always say that, but they always say that. And so they did give me the points. Now, one of you guys mentioned in that particular video that they will reject it, but when you put a ticket in, they do give you the points. And so, they did give me the points. Lately, Shopmium has been taking longer lately. I ain't even gonna lie. I submitted the receipt for Shopmium at 8:45. It's 9:35 now. So it's almost been an hour and it hasn't cleared yet. That's a long time. Usually it clears almost in minutes, and it hasn't cleared yet. I submitted the receipt on Shopkick. Yeah, I think that was it. And I'm waiting for it to clear so I can submit it on Swagbucks. And I probably won't submit it on Ibotta until tomorrow, so that way it'll count towards my midweek. And then as far as Alexa, let's see if Alexa went through. Alexa, I only did the Kleenex and the Axe. Kleenex and Axe. Let's see if that one cleared yet. Shopmium has been taking longer. But for my video yesterday, I did pin a comment. The Claritin, it hadn't cleared. And I don't know if that's ever happened where it cleared 2 out of 3. I think it was because on the receipt it said 4-ounce syrup. It didn't say freaking Claritin. It said 4-ounce syrup. And I was thinking maybe that's why I had issues with Fetch as well. But some of you guys are saying that the Fetch offer is it's a larger size. It's 8 ounces or something like that. What I did, I tried scanning the product. It didn't go through. But when I just picked an item for the list, it said 4 ounce or more. I think it said 4 plus or something like that. I chose that one and it finally went through. For the Claritins. The Claritin was almost a $10 moneymaker. And the Astapro was a $4 moneymaker. One of you guys asked if those reset for me on Shopkick. The Aster Pro did, but not the Claritin. Not as of yet. But the Dove bar, it has been resetting. So I did 2 transactions today, and I got a bar on each transaction. And I've only submitted, I love the way Dove smells. And I've only submitted the larger receipt first. And once that one clears, then I'll submit for this one. Because this one just has the Colgate, which I did again. The Colgate, I did this for Walmart Cash. I did this one for Walmart Cash and for Shopkick. So once that larger receipt processes, then I'll submit this one. I still get questions about Walmart Cash. Walmart Cash is Walmart's reward program. It's identical to basically Ibotta. I have 2 videos up. I'll probably either pin them in this video or I'll add them in the description. Both videos are helpful, and they're still, nothing's changed since then. So it's like, I'm not going to do another update on Walmart Cash unless something changes. So Alexa went through already. And the Kleenex, because this is 97 cents. It's working for the $1 offer on Alexa and on ShopMium. This offer actually might be on Swagbucks too. I didn't check, but it makes it free. So I figured I would get it. I didn't get it last time, but I decided to get it this time. And then I did the Febreze. $1.97. It's working for Ibotta and Walmart Cash. So I did Walmart Cash and Ibotta. And what else? And then this. $5.22. Get back 6 on Ibotta. Not 6 on Ibotta. 4 on Ibotta. 6 on Alexa. And then I did the deodorants, which were $4.97, and I got back. I should be getting back 6 on ShopMium and 4 on Ibotta. And I think I have the same offers on Swagbucks and My Points, which I'll probably do once the receipt's clear. Matter of fact, I'm going to submit that receipt for the Alexa receipt. I'm going to go ahead and submit on My Points really quick while I'm on with you guys. So we'll see if it goes straight through or not. I got Josiah this potato. I've been watching like cooking videos and stuff. And like easy cooking videos, like simple, right? And this one guy, he had a potato fry slicer. But it's like a little box, and it's 2 pieces, and it has a grid on the top of it. And then it has the part that goes on top that you push the potato through. So I saw him have one of those, and I was like, oh my gosh, that is so cool. So of course I first checked Temu first to see if they had it, but I didn't see the exact one. And then I went over on Amazon, and I've been using the hell out of my Amazon balance for like stuff I need. Like I just bought another lamp. One of you guys asked me about the lamps in my bedroom. We have 4 lamps. We have 4 of those lamps in the house. 2 of them we got from Walmart. Then we wanted 2 more, so we got 2 more from Amazon, and then I just ordered a 5th one because Joseph put the other one in his studio. And then, so we have 5 of those in the house, and that was paid for with my Amazon. And then what else did I get recently? I get my ink that way. I just got Josiah some more plushies too, because he really likes plushies. And so I got him 2 more, and that was like $30. So that's what I do with my Amazon balance, y'all. Sister apps, I don't activate the offer until right before I submit the receipt. That's just how I do it. With My Points, the conversion is higher. It's a little higher than the other apps. So you just divide the points by 159, and that's how you get the amount. It's always just a little bit higher. Points back on the Axe on My Points is 1020. So you take 1020 and you divide it by 159. So it's $6.41 actually. So you're getting back $6.41. So I'm going to submit this receipt really, really fast. And I'll let you guys know if it goes through. It's been going through for me though. But potatoes. So I bought potatoes for Josiah. And it's so funny because like I was going to do the French fry deal that I saw a lot of people doing. But he ain't going to eat them. He's like, I want French fries. Okay, little boy. I want French fries. I mean, I'm cool with it because he's, I'd rather give him a potato fry than a McDonald's French fry or frozen fries. And so now it's like he really likes those fries. I actually like them too. So I slice his potatoes into the French fries, and they're actually really, really good. And so now he's always like, I want fresh fries. He don't mean hot piping hot French fries. He want fresh French fries from a potato. So that's all I make him now. So I literally got a big old 8-pound bag of potatoes back here. for my big kid. And I guess strawberries must be in season, because tell me why these strawberries look so freaking decadent. OMG, don't those look so freaking good? I don't know if the camera's giving it justice, but let me see. Don't they look so good? Oh my gosh, I want to eat them all right now. But yeah, that's what I got. Other than the stuff that I have to get. Come on, not rebates. Submitting this receipt. I'm submitting for the Kleenex and the Axe because I already got it back on Alexa. I had to record a video for my fitness channel today. You guys, I am down 15 pounds. Maybe I'll post a picture. I am down 15 pounds. I'm so freaking happy about that. Like, I probably have another 10 pounds to go. And I'm so happy. I've been so consistent though. The receipt, it says pending. I'll probably insert a screenshot. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay. A lot of times when it does that, it actually does go through. It goes straight through. So let me see if it is going to go straight through. So I can tell you guys. Oh, it did. Yep. It sure did. I will tell you that the Kleenex is in review though for 170 points. But the Axe went straight through. Let's see. Because I don't want to enter. I'm not going to probably enter no screenshots. It ain't going to focus that well. I might have to enter a screenshot. Basically, the Kleenex is up there in review. And the Axe went through. There it is. So, it is working still, which is good. And I wanted to do a video on this sooner, but I wanted to just kind of keep trying it out to see if it was consistently working though. And it appears to be, which is really, really good. Oh, another thing I want to mention really quick. The Poise. I did a Poise deal again this morning, all right? This is so not a deals video, but since this video is going to go up today, it'll be helpful for if you haven't watched the other video yet. I did this deal again because it reset for me on Ibotta. And it reset for me on Shopkick, and it popped up on ShopMium, but it's only the 36 or more. 36 or higher, yeah. So the $5 back on 2 didn't work for that. But I had those $3 pillies that I showed you guys in my video yesterday. And it's right here. I hadn't tried them because I had the digitals I was going to use. So this is it right here. All right, it doesn't expire to the end of December. And last time that coupon didn't work on the liners. On this one it didn't. This time it did. This time it did. All right, so I got 2 of these and the $3 coupon worked perfect. So let me see if I can show you on my receipt. My receipts are all jacked up. They're all like really light, but I just want to show you that that coupon did work. My Ibotta offer doesn't exclude the use of a coupon, so whenever it doesn't exclude the use of a coupon, I use a coupon. If you don't want me to use a coupon, then you need to make that exclusion in the description of the item. That's all I'm going to say about that. I don't even know if this is going to focus. I might just have to insert a screenshot because I don't know if it's going to focus. Let's see if it's going to focus. Let's see if it's going to focus, man. You can see those coupons. I went to a regular, well, I'm going to stop saying I went to a regular register because it's always assumed it's going to be a regular register because they don't have self-checkout. I'm going to insert a clip. They don't have no self-checkouts at all. Like the store on Main, that's the store they remodeled, the whole entire store already. They remodeled the whole front end, have a crap load of self-checkouts, and as of right now, they're all closed, and it sucks. Donkey balls. It sucks. And so, I didn't want this video to get super long, but I got on a little ramble of sorts. So, if you watched, I appreciate you. If you made it to this point in the video, let me see your red dot. Since Josiah did a red ball. Or did he do a red dot? I only said red because I have on a red sweater. Let me see a red basketball in the comments if you got to the end of this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.